Everyone, thank you for another exciting moment. We are here again to look at another question. This is a question that has to do with we're looking at the relationship that exists in volumes, mass, and then in moles. This one we're looking at the how we can, prepare a solution that will contain um, 4 moles in 500 cm cube. The question said, what volume of 10 moles of tetrasulfuric acid or sulfuric acid will be required to prepare 4 mole in 500 cm cube of solution. So in this one, what we do here, what we are going to solve this problem, we need to use addition formula. What is happening? Addition formula. The addition formula give us something like this. We have in the addition formula that is um, concentration on C1 and V1 equal to C2 V2. This is concentration in the initial solution and the volume of the solution. And this one is also the concentration in mole or molality. Mole or molality, this is all of them can be considered concentration in mole per dm cube or molality of the solution. And this is the volume we require. This in that case, what we have here will be C1 of this concentration, the molality, which is 10 moles, and then the volume is what we don't know. The volume of this that will give us that is what we don't. That's what we're looking for, and we have the concentration or the molality, which is 4 moles, and the last one we have the volume V2, which is what 500 cm cube. 500 cm cube. So we can substitute. If you substitute, we have 10 times V1 equal to 4 times what 500. So making we have 10V. This will give us, then it should be about 2000, and then this other one will give us over 10. So in this case now, what we'll do here, this can cancel and cancel out. What we have, that means the volume required should be 200 cm cube. That is if you dissolve, the volume of this one we required, that will give us this in 500 cm cube should be what 200 cm cube. That's if you're preparing a solution. Thank you so much for the watching.